If you're trying to build muscle, these high-protein steak, egg and cheese breakfast burritos are a delicious, quick and easy breakfast with over 60 grams of protein that you can meal prep ahead of time to enjoy throughout the week. To your lean ground beef, add taco seasoning, then mix well with your hands till fully coated. Now add your taco meat to a pan on high heat with some cooking spray and cook through till golden brown and crispy. Then add tomato sauce, mix to coat, and for the creamy avocado sauce, add all of these ingredients into a blender, and this goes great in the burritos or as a dipping sauce on the side. Just blend it all up till smooth and creamy. Now in a bowl, crack 12 eggs, beat them up, then add them to a pan with some melted butter and scramble till light and fluffy. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then on a warm tortilla, layer up all of your ingredients like so, then roll it up tightly into a burrito, toast in the pan to get crispy, and reheat when you're ready to eat. What if I told you this crispy double Mcchicken packs over 50 grams of protein for under 500 calories? It's just as tasty as McDonald's, but my healthier version is double the protein and perfect for weight loss. To your lean ground chicken, add these seasonings, your sweetener of choice, then mix well, wet your hands, and shape out 6 equal patties. Freeze those for 20 minutes to firm up. For the Mcchicken sauce, mix light mayo, mustard, garlic powder, a pinch of salt, and some water. Give that a good stir, and that's your Mcchicken sauce. Now take your patties out of the freezer. I'm going to dunk these in flour first, followed by some beaten egg, and lastly some crushed cornflakes. Once they're evenly coated, set them on a rack, give them a spray, and bake or air fry with these settings. Lastly, on a toasted brioche bun, add the Mcchicken sauce, 2 crispy chicken patties, some shreddis, your sauced up top bun, and you're ready to enjoy. If you're trying to lose fat and build muscle, this high-protein popcorn chicken with creamy mash packs 52 grams of protein for only 500 calories. It's super easy to make and perfect for meal prep. Dice your chicken breast into cubes, then add these seasonings, 1 egg, and mix it up well with your hands till fully coated. Now in a bowl, add plain flour, the KFC secret seasonings, mix that up, then dunk your chicken breast in the flour mixture and roll it around till fully coated. Set them on a rack, give them a spray, and bake or air fry with these settings. They should come out just like this. Now dice your potatoes into cubes, and we're going to boil these in some salted water till fork tender, drain the water and mash them up till completely smooth. Then add light creme fraiche, fat-free milk, and salt to taste. Mix that all in till smooth and creamy, then we're going to box it up into 4 equal servings with your crispy popcorn chicken, some grilled corn and gravy, and you're ready to enjoy.
She galvanized me, steady like steel, back on my feet, living for the thrill again, loving for another day. She satisfied me, gave me what I want, just what we need, never too